In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your AAA membership from Classic to Plus. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Manage AAA Membership. A drop-down list will then appear. Click on Upgrade Options. Under Membership Upgrade Options, you will see a section for Upgrade to Plus membership. Below it is a button that says Upgrade Now. Click on Upgrade Now. A pop-up tab will then appear stating that by upgrading your membership level, the entire household's membership will also be upgraded. To proceed, click on Yes, Continue. You will then be redirected to this page. Here you will see your current membership plan information. Scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for membership levels. In this video, we are going to click on AAA Plus. Once selected, click on Next. On this page, scroll down a little. On the fields provided, enter the payment information such as the name of card holder, card number, expiration date, zip code and CVV. After entering all the necessary information, click on Submit Payment. That's how you upgrade your AAA membership from Classic to Plus. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.